Last week, Moko bought his favorite banana for 3 leaves. Today, that same banana costs 7. Same fruit, same Moko, but somehow, he's getting poorer. So, what's actually happening to his money? Meet Moko, a hardworking monkey who saves his leaves like a pro. But there's something in the jungle quietly eating those savings, and it's hitting your wallet too. It's called inflation, and today, we're gonna break down the 5 sneakiest ways it shows up in Moko's jungle economy. Stick with this story, and you're gonna understand why prices rise, how to protect yourself, and the simple trick most monkeys never figure out until it's too late. Alright, let's start with the easiest one. Imagine Moko's banana stand usually serves 10 monkeys, but today, 20 show up hungry and impatient. The farmer has only 10 bananas, so monkeys start offering more leaves just to grab one first. The farmer sees the chaos and raises the price from 3 leaves to 5. Same bananas, more demand, higher price. Next month, a storm wipes out half the banana trees. Now the farmer has only 5 bananas, but 20 monkeys still want breakfast. The shortage pushes prices up again. Moko ends up paying 8 leaves for the same banana, not because the farmer wants to, but because bananas are simply harder to get. Then things start looping. Fertilizer gets more expensive, so the farmer raises banana prices. Monkeys need more leaves to afford bananas. Businesses raise prices to cover those wages, and around it goes. That's the inflation spiral. Now picture this. The jungle treasury prints a bunch of new leaves. Suddenly, every monkey has 100 leaves instead of 50, but the number of bananas stays the same. More money, same bananas. So each leaf is worth less. The farmer adjusts and doubles the price. More currency doesn't mean more wealth. But what if the treasury keeps printing? Banana prices jump from 16 to 50 leaves, then to 200, then 1,000. Now Moko needs a whole wheelbarrow just to buy breakfast. That's hyperinflation when money turns into useless paper. And yes, it's happened in real economies too. But here's what most monkeys miss. Inflation isn't always your enemy. If your leaf income grows faster than banana prices, you're actually winning. If they rise at the same pace, you're stable. The real problem starts when income stays flat while prices climb. So what does Moko do? He stops hiding all his leaves under his sleeping mat. Instead, he invests in banana trees, jungle land, and small businesses that grow over time. His assets make more bananas, while his leaves slowly lose value. Moko starts owning things that rise with the economy. That's the secret wealthy monkeys understand. If this helped you understand what's happening to your money, smash that like button and subscribe. Next time, Moko wants to start his own banana business, but has 0 leaves. So he comes up with a plan to get rich monkeys to fund his dream and discovers the magical world of stocks. You won't want to miss it.